Welcome my friends, we are studying mathematics grade 6 term 2. This is unit 10 assessment. Let's go to the first question, choose the correct answer. First question, choose the correct answer. We have the first point, 256 centimeters equals what meter? Directly we know that we have two different units, and I know that meter equals 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So when I change from meter to centi, multiply 100. From centi to meter, divide 100. Now what we do, from centi to meter, I will divide 100. Okay, now we have 256 divided 100. We know when we divide any number divided 100, I have here how many 0? 2 0, and decimal point is here. Okay, divide 100, move the decimal point 2 place to left, so the result will be 2.56. 2.56, where that's point D, so I will choose point D. Next question 2, 20% of 40 kilogram. That's easy. 20% of, that's mean times how many? 40, and must kilogram be kilogram. There is no change of unit. Okay, so easy. I need to multiply and divide. First, make your simplify. I have here 0 with this 0, 0 with 0. Just you have 1 here, 1. I can neglect it, and I just have 2 times 4. 2 times 4, and that's equals what? That equals 8. So I will choose point B. Okay. Next question 3. I have space divided by 3060 seconds. 600 seconds is a conversion factor. We know that conversion factor is division between unit and another unit, but of the same quantity. Like we have second, just mean the first term must be a unit of time, just a unit time. Okay, but we have here number must be the same number, like 1 meter and 100 centimeter. That's a right conversion factor. Why? Because 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. That's it. But here we have what? We have space here and 3600 second. Now I need to find out 3600 second equals what? We know that second and minute. I know that minute, 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Right? And also I know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And what? So that when you need to convert between second and hour, you have 60 times 60. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes times every minute equals 60 seconds times 60 seconds. If you multiply 60 by 60, that's 3600. So the missed here is 1 hour. Where is 1 hour? That's point C. Right? Okay. Next question 4. From the opposite double number line, we have double number line. That's the first term and second term. Okay. Now I need to find the value of x. Where is x? X here. If you note, here we have 40%, 100%. So this number line or the second term is a percent, and here number. Okay. What we know? We know that 800 corresponding to 100%. That's the whole number. That's the whole number. And We have some percent, 40%. What number corresponding it? That's the part. So we know from standard algorithm, division algorithm. Here the part. What's the part here? Part is x. Okay, and we have whole number here. Whole number is 80. And what percent we need? 40%. So when you need to find x, I will multiply whole number times percent. So the value of x will be whole number 800 times what? Times percent, 40%. I can write it as 40 over 100, right? So I can simplify 100 over 100 here. 100 here equals 1, 100 here equals 8. Okay, now what we have? We have just 8 times 40. Where is this 1? I can neglect it. 1 in denominator. So 8 times 4, 32. Don't forget your 0. So the result is 320. X value 320. So I will choose point C. Okay, we have question number 5. Which of the following is not a conversion factor? Conversion factor. Like what? Like this one. Like 1 meter over 100 centimeter. We have to condition the same quantity, length and length, and 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. If we look at here, is 60 minutes equals 1 second? Of course not. By chance, the first choose is the correct one. Why? Because 60 minutes is not equal to 1 second. So point A is the first choose, is the right choose. Okay, if you look at here, 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter. That's conversion factor. 1000 meter equal 1 kilometer, conversion factor. 1 day equals 24 hours. That's a conversion factor. Okay, next point 6. Which of the following is a unit rate? Unit rate have condition, have two condition. Like conversion factor, no, that's the opposite of conversion factor. Unit rate must be different unit, like here length and time. Okay, and must be the second term one, and we have here number. That's called unit rate. Okay, 60 seconds per minute. If you note second and minute, time and time, that's false. Okay, 5 kilogram per 2 liter, I need 1. 1 kilometer per 3 minutes, I need 1. 15 gram per a cup, yes, gram and cup, different unit or different quantity. Okay, and just 1 cup. So D is the right choose. Last point 7, 150 kilometer per 3 hour. Okay, so equals what kilometer per 1 hour? So we have here the same unit, kilometers and hour, kilometer and hour. That's okay. And what? And I have 150 kilometer per 3 hour. But I per hour that's mean 1 hour. 1 hour, we have 3 hours for 150. So if I divide 150 divided 3, I will find how kilometer per 1 hour. That's easy. 150 divided 3. What's the result? 150 divided 3 equals what? Equals 5. Why? Because 5 times 3 equals 15 and 0 drop it. Now 50 times 3 equals 150. So the right choose here is point D. Okay, now we finished the first question, choose the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Okay, next question here, number 2, complete. The first one, 25 LE per 5 kilogram. Then the price of each kilogram. Each kilogram, that's mean 1 kilogram. So the price for 5 is 25. If I need to buy just 1 kilogram, that's easy. I will divide 25 divided 5. 25 divided 5 equals 5. So the price of 1 kilogram 5, the price of 5 kilogram is 25. Next point 2, 15 kilometers per hour equals what kilometer per minute? Now we change units from kilometer per hour to kilometer per minute. That's easy. Now that equals what? That equals, I have first 15. That's okay. 15 times what? That's no problem with kilometers. No problem with kilometers per hour. Right? So the problem is here. I need to change this hour to minute. So I will times it by a conversion factor to change this hour to minute. What's the conversion factor I can use? I need hour. So I will put here 1 hour because it's 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour equals what? How many minutes? 60 minutes. Why I put 1 hour up and 60 minutes down? So I can simplify 1 hour with 1 hour. Look with me. Now I can do what? 1 hour simplify with 1 hour. Now the result will be, I have 15 kilometer per 60 minutes. But I need kilometer per minute. That means I need to simplify 15 over 60 equals what? I know that 60 equals 15 times 3, right? Yes. Times 4, sorry. Times 4. Why? 2 times 50. 15 equals 30. 2 times 30 equals 60. So, the right solution here, I can over 15 equals 1 over 15 equals 4. So, the right result is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 what? Kilometer per minute. 1 over 4. Don't forget, you can write it as 1 over 4 kilometer per minute, or what? Or 25%, 25 hundredths. So I know that that's equals 25% or 25 hundredths. That's the same, right? Okay. So next we have 1 minus 25%. What? Now I have number and percent. There is no way to subtract number minus percent. Must be 2% or 2 number. Now I have two choice. First choice, that equals 100% minus 25%, and that equals 75%. That's okay. That's the first solution. Okay, but or the second one, I know that 1 minus 25% equals 1/4, right? Yes. And 1 minus 1/4, 3/4. Why? Because 1 equals 4 over 4, right? 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4 equals 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 is the right solution, and 75 is the right solution. That's right, and that's right one. Next, 4, 200 meters times conversion factor equals 2/10 kilometer. That's easy. I convert from meter to kilometers. Here we have kilometers equals what? Meter equals 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. That's okay. Now I will write it as 1 kilometer over 1000 meter, or 1000 meter over 1 kilometer. Which one? That's a conversion factor and that's a conversion factor. But which one is the right one? Not with me. I need what? I need to simplify meter with meter. Must be meters here and kilometers here. So I will choose this one. Okay, so I will write it as 1 kilometer over 1000 meter. So I can simplify meter with meter and just stay 1 kilometers. Okay, okay. Next question 5. X over 4 equals 25%. Then the value of x. Not with me. 4 over 4. 25% equals what? 1 over 4. That's false. Because 25 over 100. Right? That's easy. X 4 and 4. So x equals 1. Okay. 6. We have 10 LE for each kilogram. Then what kilogram per 1 LE? Not with me. Here we have LE for kilogram. Gram per LE. What we note? The first one was LE per kilogram. That's 10. Equals what? Kilogram per LE. We note here that I just do the reciprocal of LE per kilogram, kilogram per LE. That's easy. I have 10 over 1. Right? 10 over 1. The reciprocal of 10 over 1 is 1 over 10. 1 over 10 equals what? 1 over 10 equals 1/10. And that's it. Okay, next. 5,000 kilometers equals what meter? Just a conversion factor between kilometers and the meter. So that's equals, I have 5,000 times conversion factor. 5,000 what, sorry? 1,000 kilometers. I need kilometers down, second term, so I can simplify it and meter here. Of course, 1,000 meter equal 1 kilometers. That's 1 kilometer, simplify with kilometer. And we have here just 5,000 times another 1,000, add 30. That's it, and the unit is meter. So that's meter, and just write 5 what? 5 million, 6 zeros. Last point 8. A store offer a discount 20%. So the percent of the discount is 20% on a shirt of price. So the shirt price, don't forget, I need first percent is 20%. Okay. And the whole number is 40 LE. Okay, then what? Then the price after discount. We have to be careful here. He asked us about the price after discount, not the discount. I can't find the part. The part here is what? I can find the part by multiplying whole number times percent. Let's find it. If I multiply the whole number times percent or as fraction, I can simplify 100 with 2 0 here. We have just 4 and 1. I can neglect this one. 4 times 20, that's equal 80. 80 what? 80 LE. So the discount equals 80. He need us to find the discount or the price after discount. The price after discount. So the shirt were 50. What we do with the discount, I will subtract the discount part. 80, and that equals 320. That's easy. 320. So the price of the shirt after discount is 320. Without the discount, 400. What is the value of the discount? Is 80 LE. And we finished question number 2 complete. Let's go to question number 3. Question 3. Choose the correct answer. The first point 1. 1/8 compared with 800. 8%, sorry. Okay. Now, can I compare fraction or ratio and percent? Of course not. I need 2% or two fraction or ratios. Okay, I cannot compare between fraction and percent. Okay, if I could have this 8% constant and I need to change 1/8 to ratio, okay, to percent, sorry, I need it as percent. We know that I cannot make this 8 as 100. Why? 8 times what equals 100? There is nothing. If you tried 8 times 10, that equals 80. 8 times 11, that's 88. 8 times 12, that's 96. 8 times 13, 104. We can conclude that I cannot make this 8 as 100, but I can make it as 1000. How? If you tried 8 times 120, 8 times 12, 96, but 8 times 120, 960. So 8 times what? Times 125. That equals 1000. Note with me. 8 times 120. 8 times 5 equals 40. If you add 40 to 960, you will have 1000. So 8 can becomes 1000 by times it by 125. So 1 times 125 equals 125. Okay, and what next? Next, I just need 100 here. If I divide this 125, if I get 1 0, so we have point here. Change this point or replace it or move it one place to left. 125 over 100, and I have this 100. I can make it as percent. Now we can say that 1 over 8 equals 100.5%. Which one is biggest? 12 or 8%? Of course 12. So I will choose point A. Okay, next question. From the opposite tab diagram, the unit rate of the printer is what papers per minute? I have some printer. This printer makes 50 papers per 5 minutes. For the unit rate, I need to make the second term as 1. Where is 1 here? There is 1. What's the amount corresponding this unit? This place. Right? So I need to know what papers for 1 minute. That's easy. I will divide these 50 papers per 5 minutes. So 50 divided 5. What? 10. Why? 10 times 5 equals 50. So this printer can make 10 papers per 1 minute. That's 10. So I will choose point C. Next one. 1.5 equals what percent? That's easy. I know that 1.5 equals 1 plus half. That's it. 1 equals what percent? 100%. And half, 50%. 100 plus 50, 150%. That's it. So I have here 1%, so I need 150%. Okay, next one. 20 cups of flour to make 5 pizza. Then, so I need 20 cups of flour to make 5 pizza. Then, what pizza per cup of flour? I need you to be careful here. I have cups for pizza. Here pizza for cup. And what's this unit? Here we have 5, 20. So step by step. I have 20 cup per 5 pizza. I need pizza for cup. Pizza for cup. So pizza for cup will be what? 5 pizza for 20 cups. That's it, right? Right. So 5 pizza for 20 cups. What we do here, I make it as what he need. He need pizza for cup. Pizza for cup. But just 1 cup, not 20 cup. That's I need to divide 5 over 20. Before divide, I can do what? Simplify. Over 5 equals 1. Over 5 equals 4. So how many pizza over for 1 cup? 1 over 4 pizza. No, now, not with me. That's 1 pizza over 4 cup. If I put this 1 over 4 with pizza, just 1 cup. So that's 1 over 4 pizza over 1 cups. Okay, okay. Now I will choose 1 over 4. So to make 1 over 4 pizza, I need just 1 cup of flour. Next question, 5. To convert from hour to minute, the conversion factor is, not with me, I have 1 hour. I need to make it as minute. What we do? Our first term, make it as second term. You need what? Minute. How many minutes equals 1 hour? 60 minutes. That's it. Okay, I make hour as the second term. And hour equals how many minutes? 60 minutes. That's, I can call it the conversion factor. 60 minutes per 1 hour. 60 minutes per 1 hour. That's it. Next question. 20% of pupils in the class equals 5 pupils. That's important here to understand what he said. He says that 20% equals 5. So 5 is the percent and 20% is the percent. Sorry. 5 pupils is the part or the whole? That's the part. Don't forget this shape division algorithm. I have here the part. I know the part equals 5 and the percent is 20%. The missing here is the total or the whole. So he asked us about the total number. Yes, that's it. That's x. So x, when I find x or find the percent from up to down, I will divide. So 5 divided 20%. If I need to find percent, 5 divide the whole number. If I need to find the part, I will multiply. Okay? Okay. So to find the whole number, I will divide 5 by 20%. 5 divided 20%. How to divide? I have 5 divided 20%. I know that 20 is 20 over 100. That's it. I can use the reciprocal here. Divide becomes times, and the reciprocal 100 over 20. And before times, I can simplify. I can simplify what? I can simplify 5 with 20. Over 5 equals 1. Over 5 equals 4. That's it. Now I have 100 over 4, because 1 times 100 equals 100 over 4. If I divide 100 over 4, that's 25. Yes, 25 times 4 equals 100. So the right to choose is 25. So the total number of pupils, 25. 20% of them is 5. That's logic. Okay, last choose question. How many grams equals 20 kilogram? Yes, I need to convert from gram to kilogram or kilogram to grams. Yes, kilogram to gram. We know that kilogram equals 1000 gram. Yes, so I have 20 kilogram times conversion factor. Kilogram up, make it down, 1 kilogram. And 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. Now, 1 kilogram is kilogram as unit. And 20 times 2 1000, that's 20,000. But the unit is gram. Where is 20,000 here? That's point D. And that's the last question of question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Let's go to the last question, number 4. Question number 4. Answer the following question. First point, a speed of a car is 2500 centimeter per second. Of course, speed unit is centimeter per second or meter per minute or kilometers per hour or whatever. Convert it to kilometer per hour. So I have some number with a unit of centimeter per second. Okay, I need to convert to unit. Centimeter to kilometers. First, centimeters were up, I need to write it down, and kilometers up. I need to find how many kilometers equal how many centimeter. Of course, I know that kilometers equal 1000 meter, and 1 meters equals 100 centimeters. That's it. Enough. I need to convert from kilometers to centi. So I have 1000 times 100. That equals what? 100,000. So the right number here is 100,000. Okay? Sorry, it's down. Yes, here we have 1 kilometers equals 100,000 centimeters. That's the first conversion factor from centi to kilometer. Time is what? Second is down. Second guitar, make it as up. And to what? Second to hour. I need here hour. Just 1 hour. 1 hour equal how many seconds? Let's see. I know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes and minute equals 60 seconds. So from hour to second, I will multiply 60 by 60. 60 by 60, 6 by 6, 36, and we have 2 0. That's easy, okay? Now what we have? Now I have, not with me, I have what? I have centimeter and centimeter, centi by centi. I have second by second. Okay, now I have numbers here, operation, multiplication operation, that's equals. I have 2050 times 1 times 3600 over 100,000. Where is the unit? I just have kilometer per hour, kilometers per hour. And that's the required unit, kilometers per hour, kilometer per hour. Okay, now just simplify this operation. First, how many zero up? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I can simplify them with 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Now let's see what we have. Now that's equals. I just have 25 times 36 up over 10 kilometer per hour. If you multiply 25 times 36 by standard algorithm, you will find it as 900 over 10. And I can simplify 0 with 0. Now the result will be 90. 90 what? 90 kilometer per hour, and that's the right solution. 90 kilometer per hour is the right solution. Okay. Now I convert from centimeter per second to kilometer per hour, from 2500 to 90. That's it. Okay, next question. Which is the best pi? I have two pi operation. I need to find the best pi. The best pi is the cheapest one, right? So I have here 15 kilogram per 60 LE and 25 LE per 5 kilogram. We note that here we have, I cannot compare here. Why? Because this different unit, kilogram per LE and LE per kilogram. I can make it as unit rate. I need to find the unit rate of each one. First one, I will make it as kilogram per 1 LE. Oh no, that's the money per 1 kilogram. So I will start here. If you have 12.5 LE per kilogram, no, per 5 kilogram. That's, I can do it as, I need it as LE per 1 kilogram. What we do, just divide 12.5 divided 5. Okay, note with me. To divide 12.5 divided 5. First, 12 divided 5. How many 5 in 12? Just 2. Okay. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10, subtract it from 12, you have 2. 2.5, don't forget the point. 2 beside 5, 25 divided 5, that's 5. So the result is 2.5 times 5 equals 12. I can write it for you as standard algorithm. If you divided 12 divided 5, you have 2 times 5, that's 10, subtract, I have 2, point up and 5 down, 25 divided 5 equals 5. So 5 times 5 equals 25, that's 0. So the quotient is 2.5. But 2.5 what? Now I have LE per kilogram. That's the unit rate. I need to find the same unit rate here. I have 15 kilogram per 60 LE. Kilogram per LE, here LE per kilogram. So make it the reciprocal, 30 LE per 15 kilogram. Now I need to divide 30 over 15. Over 15 equals 2, over 15 equals 1. And the result is 2 LE per 1 kilogram. Which one is the best? I have unit rate here. Now I need to compare this unit rate with this unit rate. Which one is the best? 2.5 LE per 1 kilogram or 2 LE per 1 kilogram? Of course, the cheapest one. The cheapest one here is what? Is this one. So that's the best. That's the best one. Now you can choose this one. This is no, because it's high price. We have just 2 here. Okay, so this is the right one. Now go to question number 3. Which is the longest? The same, I need to compare 2.35 kilometers or 965 centimeters. Okay, now convert one to the other one. Convert kilometer to centi or centi to kilometers. The easiest way to convert the great to the small. That's constant. Here, make 965 constant and change these to centimeter. I can say, yeah, here we convert it here. Kilometers equal 1000 meter and meter equal 100 centimeter. That's so from kilometer to centimeter I will multiply 1000 times 100,000. That's it. 2.3 kilometers times what? 100,000 centimeter over 1 kilometers. And kilometer with kilometers, you need to get the solution. 2.35 times 100,000 centimeters. Now kilometer with kilometer, I just have centimeter, so I have decimal point after two place, so I will simplify it with 20. So I have now what? 235 times what? Times 1000. Okay, that equals what? Equals 235,000 centimeter. And what? And now I can say that of course this number is greater than this one, of course. So 2.35 kilometer is the right solution. He asked us about the longest one. Now I can compare that 2 kilometers is greater than 965 centimeters, of course. And you can configure this solution easiest way. I have 2.35 kilometers and I have 900 centi, that's 9 meter, 65 meter. Of course 2 kilometers greater than 9 meters. That's the easiest way. 4. On the sale, a shop offered discount. The discount is 15% and the price of the article is 1600 LE. Find the price after discount. We solve from about 10 minutes before, just like this one. Okay, now I have some percent and the total price. Okay, now to find the price, the discount, first I will find the discount. The discount equal the percent times the total price. I know that 15 per 100 times 1600. I can simplify 20 with 20. Now we have what? We have 15 times 60. If you multiply 15 times 60, you will find it as what? As 640. How we do that? Of course you can make it as standard algorithm. 6 times 5, 6 times 1 plus 3, that's 9, 0, 5, 1. You can add 9 plus 5, 14 up, and you have now first 6 times 15, that's 90, and 1 times 5, that's 5, 1 times 1. Now you can add as 240. 240. Of course that's false. Why? Because when we multiply 6 by 5, we have 30, 0, carry up 3. 6 times 1 plus 3 equals 9. That's okay. And 0. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 1, 1. I know that 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 4 equals 14. 4 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now the result is 240. Okay? 240 equals what? 240, that's 240. 240 what? That's a discount, that's LE. Okay? Now, I know the discount is 240. Okay? Okay. He asked us the price after discount. So the price after discount will be the total price minus the discount price. Now I need to subtract. 0 minus 0, that's 0. 0 minus 4, make it as 10 and 5. 10 minus 4, that's 6. Okay, 10 minus 4. And 5 minus 2, that's 3. And drop 1. So 1360 LE is the price after discount. That's it. And we reach to the end of our assessment of unit 10. I wish you good time. Thank you. Goodbye, and don't forget you can find the paper of the solution in the description of our video. Thank you. Goodbye.